The latest sales data for smart door locks from Chinese manufacturers indicates significant growth in the market, with over 18.01 million sets sold in 2023. Xiaomi has emerged as the leading brand, achieving the highest sales volume among the manufacturers. Breaking down the sales data, China's online traditional e-commerce platforms contributed 4.31 million units, marking a 45% improvement from the previous year. Additionally, online emerging e-commerce platforms saw 1.5 million sales, reflecting a substantial 70% increase from 2022. The top three manufacturers in terms of sales volume and revenue were identified as Xiaomi, Deshman, and Kiduz. Xiaomi holds a dominant position in the market across all online channels, securing a sales share of approximately 15%. The success of Xiaomi is attributed to its competitive advantages in terms of product cost-effectiveness and delivering an enhanced smart experience. The brand has effectively leveraged its extensive user base to drive sales of its smart door locks, consolidating its position as the market leader. Xiaomi Smart Door Lock series encompasses various models, including the Xiaomi Fully Automatic Smart Door Lock, Xiaomi Fully Automatic Smart Door Lock Pro, Xiaomi Smart Door Lock E10, Xiaomi Smart Door Lock 1S, and Xiaomi Face Recognition Smart Door Lock X. This diverse product lineup caters to a wide range of consumer preferences and needs. With a strategic approach to product development and leveraging its existing user base, Xiaomi aims to maintain its leading position in smart door lock sales throughout 2023.